Windsor hum? Zug Island? It all sounds like something from a children's story, doesn't it? But no, to the residents of Windsor, Ontario, the so-called Windsor hum is a grating, pulsating noise that rattles windows, knocks pictures off walls and keeps them awake at night.
Can you hear it?
A seismic study and many Canadians are pointing the finger at Zug Island, this heavily industrialised home to several steel mills on the southern fringes of Detroit.
Sleep deprived. They have pre-existing medical conditions that are being aggravated by the rumblings, by the pulsings, by the low-frequency noise pollution that's taking place here. Their animals are being affected. Dogs are being medicated. There are cats that will no longer go outside. The footage has not been adjusted. It has not been edited outside of taking that clip. This is raw audio data.
On a border long used to peace, the Windsor hum is raising a racket from Detroit to Washington. This month, Canada dispatched a top emissary across the border to silence the Windsor hum. The noise has been blamed on everything from making locals feel ill to sending dogs crazy. Mike Provost's cat has been acting strangely for over a year now.
Before the rumbles and the hum started, she was basically on her own. She could sleep anywhere. Now she wants to be close to somebody. She's always wanting attention.
The Americans are not convinced that Zug is to blame. Fishing at the banks of the island, Samson Jenkins says he's never heard the hum.
I've been fishing here for 2 years. I don't know what the Canadians are talking about. I haven't heard no noise.
But Canadians like Sonia Skerritt are hearing it loud and clear, and they want action.
It's an annoyance, and it definitely can keep you awake at night or prevent you from falling asleep, because you just lay there in bed and that's all you can hear. We now have a furnace fan that we run all night, every night, to help drown out the noise.
While Canadian politicians are pressing the US for a solution, officials near Zug Island say they don't have the funds to investigate a sound residents in the area can't even hear. This is Alistair MacDonald in Windsor, Ontario for the Wall Street Journal.